Hi everyone. So welcome to Curious Mind YouTube channel. And so in this video, see what we have on board. It's stereoisomerism, and stereoisomerism is divided into three categories. So first one is called enantiomer, diastereomer, and conformer. So we will learn about enantiomer and diastereomer in this video. And for conformer, please refer to my last video, which was about the conversion between different conformers. So we will go to enantiomer first. What is enantiomer? So enantiomers which can produce non-superimposable mirror images. Like we have, suppose we have two or more than two stereoisomers, right? So if those stereoisomers can form mirror images, and those mirror images should be non-superimposable with each other. Now, what is non-superimposable? For that, we have to go to the next slide. So stereoisomers which can produce non-superimposable mirror image are called enantiomer to each other. Enantiomerism is a phenomenon and enantiomers to each other is this. Now we will go to the next slide. Let's take one example of trans 1,2-cyclopentane diol. Trans 1,2-cyclopentane diol. Can you see this one is trans 1,2-cyclopentane diol? So this is trans. That's why one is above the plane and the second OH is below the plane. Now we will place a mirror here. When we place a mirror, we will get the exact mirror image. Now let's talk about the mirror image. So this one is there. So that means it will be OH, H, and this will be there, right? OH, H. So this is the mirror image of this compound. Now let's do one thing. इसको यहाँ से उठा के यहाँ पे रखना है. Just उठाओ ऐसे and place it just there. What you will see? You will see this is non-superimposable, right? Just put it there. क्या होगा? OH यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. That means it's not same, right? It's not identical. So that means it is a non-superimposable mirror image. So when this is a non-superimposable mirror image, we can conclude that these two are enantiomers. These two are enantiomers. Enantiomers to each other. Okay. Now this is about enantiomerism. Now, second is diastereomer. What is diastereomer? So it should not be non-superimposable, right? So compounds, or we can say stereo compounds, stereoisomers, which have same molecular formula. So molecular formula should be same. Overall, it has to be a same molecular formula, right? But non-superimposable to each other and non-mirrored images. They should not be a mirror image. They should not be non-superimposable, right? So these are called diastereomer. What is this? Let's go through one example. So there is one example, cis 1,2-cyclopentane diol and trans 1,2-cyclopentane diol. Now let's go to the molecular formula. Can you see the molecular formulas are same? For the cis and for the trans isomer, the molecular formulas are exactly same. If we just count the carbon, so both has C, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. What about hydrogen? So both has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 10 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. So both has the same molecular formula. But can you see the spatial arrangement is different? One is trans and one is cis. Now can it be an enantiomer or diastereomer? For that, we have to place a mirror. If we just place a mirror here, will it be a mirror image of this one? No, right? No. So we cannot place a mirror here. We cannot place a mirror. And if we cannot place a mirror, so it will be diastereomer. Non-superimposable mirror image का तो बाद में आएगा, right? But first mirror image होगा कि नहीं? Mirror image नहीं होगा. So for that case, we will say these two are diastereomer. Diastereomers to each other. That means cis trans. If we take trans only, it can form mirror image. If we take cis and trans, it cannot form mirror image to each other, right? So that means geometrical isomerism, that is cis trans, geometrical isomerism can be a diastereomer. So in the next slide, we will see one example. So cis trans is a diastereomeric concept. That means ये जो cis trans होता है, that is geometrical isomerism, this is a concept exactly equal to diastereomer. So this can be a diastereomer. Let's take one example. We have taken two acids, and both the acids has the same kind of molecular formula, C4H4O4. 4 carbon, 4 hydrogen, 4 oxygen. But see, this is trans acid. That's why it is called fumaric acid. And this is called malic acid. Why? Because this is cis acid. So you can write here cis. This one will be trans. Fumaric acid and malic acid. So these two acids are geometrical isomers to each other, right? If they are geometrical isomers to each other, so they can be a diastereomeric pair as well. So that means diastereomers are exactly geometrical isomers. So we went through enantiomeric pair, diastereomeric pair. For the conformers, please go back and please watch my last video on the different conversion between like conformers, different conformers. Wedge dash, it could be a sawhorse, it could be a Newman. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please go and subscribe our YouTube channel and please follow our Insta page. Thank you so much.